Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Fikri bin Orbit. So me and my teammate will be talking about plant that we have found in our field trip in Gading. And these are my teammates. I have Aiman, Zaim, Adam and Ahmad Daniel. So these are the species that we have found in Gading, and it's called Melastoma malabaptricum, and its common name is sesandok, and these are its classification and the characteristic. The characteristic of Melastoma malabaptricum is it is shrub or small tree up to 5 meter tall. Its opposite stalk leaf have leaf blade that are lance shaped, and leaves are bristly on the underside, and petals are light to dark magenta, pink or occasionally white. Dekat sikit itu. Aku kata this is one of the flowering plant that we found, plant that have flower. Okay, done. Next is Myconia crenata, and its common name is coster curse, and these are its classification and the characteristics are it is perennial shrub, glossy deeply veined leaves and ovate to oblong with crenate leaf margin, leaf edge lined with rounded tip, small white flowers and composed of 5 petals with rounded to truncate tips. Sepals are fused at base and covered with long white hairs.
Bukan.
Namun panjang
This is one of the plants that we have that has fuzzy leaves
And
hairy leaves.
white flower.
White flowers. Next is Pterocarpus bodylini. The common name for it is keruing bulu, and this is the classification. The characteristic of it is that it can be tall up to 49 meter, straight bole, and have a buttress root. The leafinations are simple, alternate, and obovate. The leaves have large stipules, swollen apex, obovate in shape, and the raceme flowers with 3 to 5 flowers and usually produce nuts. Another plant that we found, which is a fuzzy and hairy leaf, both on the fruit and also on the upside of the leaf and also the underside of the leaf. And the pattern of this leaf is like this. Honorable mention, we have Tramatis versicolor. The common name for it is turkey tail, and here are the classification. And the characteristic for it is that it has a lot of colors, as the name suggested, versicolor, and it is similarly to turkey tail, and it is a fungi and it is saprotrophic. The cap is flat and often degrades lignin in wood. This is also what we found, turkey tail, which is kind of general but still.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Ahmad Daniel. I want to tell about Meraferia. For the common name is Penaga, and I will tell about characteristic. For the first is leaf, simple, opposite and lanceolate, glossy green with a pronounced midrib. Young leaf are reddish, maturating to green. For the flowers, large, fragrant and white, numerous yellow stamens, hermaphroditic, appearing singly or in cluster. For the fruit, woody capsule split open where the matter to release seed. That's all.
This is one of the species that we found that have leaves. They have red leaves on some of it, while the others doesn't.
Yeah.
So this attracts some of the animals to come hang out, I guess.
For the second species is Scaleria latifolia. For the common name is rumput serai or rumput tikus, and in much like for the classification, I will go through for the characteristic of this species. The first one is growth habit. Perennial herb up to 1 meter tall, grow in dense clumps, and for the stem, slender, erect and triangular in cross section. For the leaf, long, narrow, grass-like with rough texture and up to 1 meter long and 2 to 5 cm wide.
Okay.
There's one of the plant that we have that has florets. There's a lot of fruits as the flowers.
And this is the another species that we found in our Gading, and our field trip is Lycopodilla chenua, and its common name is Theonclamus. And then we can see here is the identification. For the characteristic is this plant from the terrestrial plant, they can up to 50 cm. and its leaf has a singly in a spiral along the stem, and it has curved towards shoot tip, and the leaf shape is linear and pointed at tip, and the leaf size is up to 50 mm, and for the leaf surface is smooth and stiff.
So this is also what we found, which is a fern, a type of fern.
It's kind of look like a rumpai now.
Yeah.
And the other one, the species we found in our field trip is Triplaris americana, and their common name is N3. Okay, the classification for this plant has shown on the slide. And for the characteristic for the N3 is the trunk is straight and upright, and then has smooth. The skin is smooth and grey bark, and the trunk also can reach around 1 meter in diameter. And also the leaf has a glossy and oval shape. And the height for this tree can grow up to 20 meter in height.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Adam Haikal. So now I'm going to talk about Aggregatum conizoid, which the common name chickweed. This is the classification from kingdom to species, and the characteristic of this plant is slightly aromatic, fibrous root, grows to approximately 1 meter in height, and stem and leaf are covered with fine white hair.
So another plant that we found, which is, I don't even know its name, but expected to be a raceme florets.
Tengok Aiman, apa bukan tengok aku. Okay.
Camellia sinensis, which the common name tea plant. This is the classification from kingdom to species, and the characteristic of this plant is the fruit is a triangle capsule with 3 seeds, persistent sepals surround the fruit, and leaves are oral and pointed at the tip.